What up, party people? It's your boy MrGermdizzle here again with my buddy
Koko Pageant Queen.
And we are on location at Dairy Queen. It's been a minute since we did a live one on location, at Dairy Queen. Alright, what you working on? What do you got there, Miss Koko Pageant Queen?
Cotton Candy Blizzard.
Cotton Candy Blizzard, okay. What do you think it's going to taste like?
I've tried something like this before, and it doesn't really taste like cotton candy, but the stuff that they taste inside it, really, it's yummy.
You have a cotton candy, and I have a drumstick. I love drumsticks. We'll see if they live up to the billings. Let's see. Go ahead, get you some there. It's all pink. It's kind of pretty and stuff. Looks like cotton candy. Let's see.
Right?
Go ahead. Two thumbs up. Okay, we'll finish it up. What does it taste like, though?
You can see, like, stuff inside of it. Like sprinkles. They're, like, crunchy. But there's, like, ice cream. And then it's really good. I give it a 10.
A 10? Whoa. Okay, 10. All right.
If there's a whole bucket of it, I would eat it.
You'd eat a whole bucket of it? All righty. Well, that's good to know. Let's try mine. I'm working with the Drumstick Blizzard. Balance this precariously. I don't have my tripod today. Alright, it's pretty good. You definitely get the waffle cone. Get the chocolate covered waffle cone. Yeah, that is spot on. That is really good. Really good. So this one I would definitely give it taste like some spot on. The ice cream is good. It actually is ground up drumstick in there. You can tell it's the real deal. Good job, Dairy Queen. Well, all right, Miss Quince. You got anything else from? Let me see your teeth again. I love it. All right, we have anything else for him? Oh, okay. All right, well, one.
Make sure you try either one of these kinds.
Try either one, cotton candy and drumstick, right? A Dairy Queen.
Your breath smells like peanut butter.
Yeah, because it's kind of peanut buttery. All right, well, 1, 2, 3, we out.